How to create the gesture data. Select one of the gestures and start recording that waveform. Perform the actual gesture you want to register on the sensor. Register about 50 to 100 pieces of data. Let's check the registered data. Similarly, please register data for other gestures. Here, we are recording a tap gesture. Tap means pushing motion. 52 pieces of data have been registered. Let's check the registered data. Delete the ones that do not have a good tap waveform. Registering all the gesture data will complete the data creation process.